Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create a PPTs with less than couple of minutes. All you need to do is log into the Google Slides and add extension and give you a prompt and it started creating you the entire PPTs depending upon what prompt you have given. The interesting part here, you might know that we have seen in the market that there is a bunch of other PPT making AI tools are available. What is the key about this one and why I'm going to show you, or I'm spending a time to show you that in other PPTs, which we are talking about the Gamma and other PPT ones which we are doing into with the Microsoft PPT, the challenge is you might not able to modify or add the PPTs depending upon the context which you're talking about. Whether you are creating a sales deck or you're creating a presentation for showing to your boss, or it might be to giving a deck to your pricing your funds. So the Google Slide AI extension will gather those information and take your input prompt and then started creating the PPT. So all you need to go there, click your topic, get started, and write the prompt which you wanted to be create your content and give your audience and then give your context whether you're presenting live or you are going to standing and speaking about the context. It takes care of everything and then it started creating the entire slides to you. That's gonna take you in a couple of minutes. So I've given my prompt and I'm started waiting that how this magic is gonna turn it and how it's gonna started creating the entire AI based PPT templates. And it's good that it's gonna take you your feedback as well while it's created into the PPTs depending upon your tone, context, and the audience based one. That's amazed me because most of the places which have seen it, they have taken your prompt, they might taken your URL, but the real game changing is all about right how you are gonna do that. So my context is been ready, and all I need to gonna go and show you that my slides, and I can keep on editing my slides. It's not like in other tools, right, where I cannot able to edit uh, my ppts which created. It's done and dusted. Then it's going to be a challenge for me every time I have to go and realize certain things I need to change it that, so it is not going to be that. I've given the concept is like agentic universe concept, which are the ones which I'm building my base AI agentic one. And you can see that the agent is referring that like its ability to act, make a decision, and influence the outcome within a given context. Agents can be individual or organization or into the system exhibit the powerful behavior into the ones. And it understanding like agents in agentic universe, the types of agents. It's take me the entire context and it act autonomously, make information decision, influence the environment and the outcome of the complex system. The complex systems are agent interact with another leading unpredictable and emergent phenomena. Example of the agent, human agent, artificial agent, and environmental agent. So it's understand my context and it started giving me the founder deck. So it's showing me that how I can rely on talks about the agentic frameworks which we need to talks, and it started giving me how I need to go and tells about like the human agents, artificial agent, and the comparison to the business leaders. So isn't that cool? And you can click which kind of a template which you needed, how the template should be looks like, and it's gonna gives you the entire thing. Now the interesting part, most of the people gonna ask me, right, how I've done this. It's very simple. You go to the tools, you go to the extension, try to open the Google Slides, and from there you can go and have the extension. From the extensions you can go get add-ons. So when you type that, there's a bunch of different tools are available for you. All you needs to be integrated the tool. So at this moment I'm wanted to be use slide AI. So I got the slidesai.com. I've installed that. If I click it here, it's gonna shows me this one. Once the installation is done, the extension is gonna show you here. You can create a new slides. You can edit the slides with you use that. Let me show you how you're gonna create a new slides using that. So I'm not gonna create the entire slides to you again, but I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work it out. And so it has a topic. You have to give a topic, and then you have a bullet point to turn into the presentation, and then it is gonna be create the instructions which I'm talks about. That's more fun. Let me say is to how to use agents in software. That's my prompt. I gave the topic, I gave the prompt, and it should takes me to the next, right? And I have to create the content and instructions and the context and outline and design, right? Where I can give it. Unfortunately, it's having that like one way of like doing it, because I use the kind of a subscription. But if you wanted to do that, you can do it like $5 or $10 per month,